Yo, what's up YouTube? Happy Black Friday. This is the last ticket that I have now. It's ticket number 9. So it's 9. I guess it's the last one of on a whole pack, because 0 to 9 is 10 pieces. Yep, this is the last one. How is the last one is gonna be winning? Let's see. I got my lucky Georgia Scotcher. I don't see any double number, but let's go to the winning number. Nope. 31. Nope. Alright, so far guys, I got $52 my money back of 240 that I spent. There's a lot of this, like only less than 25%. 40. And this one gonna be loser too, I believe. Nope. 28. Nope. 15. Told you guys, it was just bad luck. Well, happy Black Friday guys. Don't spend money too much. Well, thank you for watching, and see you in next episode. Bye.